On today's episode of Let's Do Dumb Shit, we're going to attempt to ramp this board that's just floating down the Susquehanna. Hey guys, it's Christine. So we are out on the Susquehanna today and enjoying the weather. Getting one of those weird winters in southern Pennsylvania where we just get several days that are in the 60s, 70s. So you know we're out on the water enjoying it. You guys probably hear Dan ski in the back. He's got the upgraded water box. I believe it's from DYT. I'll link it down in the description. It sounds badass. It's still got some baffling to it, so it's not hateful like straight pipe, but he does also have through hull exhaust, so that makes it a little louder, a little throatier as well. Yeah, Mike! Yeah, babe! Dan got back on. Michael, he's chasing after his ski.
Smart girl.
So the car show was pretty chill about doing burnouts on the side road there. And long story short, I had to redeem myself. The guy was laughing because everybody else hadn't read the crown on the road quite right, but I did. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe for more on our RX-PXs, cars, anything that goes fast. Until then, live for the thrill and ride fast.